Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good evening and welcome back in. The weekend outlook wet for us here as we're starting to see that nice dry warm pattern fade away. Rain coming in early tomorrow. Some chances, some thunder for us too. Sunday looks mostly dry, but then we got another round to deal with as we get into Monday. It's going to be a busy weekend. Let's jump right into the details. We're going to be seeing temperatures overnight tonight stay in the mid 50s for most of us. Some areas are already in the low 50s this evening. Rain is going to be likely, especially as we wake up tomorrow morning. Could see some thunder in there. And then as we get into Sunday, another round that's going to begin the day, but most of it clears out just after sunrise, and there'll just be mostly cloudy. High temperatures, though, dropping down into the lower 50s as some cooler temperatures work in. Wind speeds wise, we're going to stay out of the west to southwest, gusts up to 30 miles an hour for you tomorrow. And then Sunday, they turn to the northeast. That's what changes the temperatures a bit and gets us going into our next system, which brings us rain and the chance for maybe a little bit of snowflakage as we head into the beginning of the week. Satellite and radar right now has some rain chances across this far south and near the Tennessee border. Most of us just cloudy for this evening, and will stay that way as this low continues to track towards us. It's got one little wave to it, and then the cold front behind it. Those are going to work together to spark quite a bit of rain showers and the potential for some thunderstorms. Believe it or not, a couple of our counties here are inside a level 1 of 5 risk for severe storms overnight tonight. Wind and large hail, the main threats. Most of this activity will likely stay in western Kentucky, but we will need to watch for a little bit of that as we wake up tomorrow morning. The next big thing shows you the timing of this. Already considering Futurecast is some rain. It's not happening right now, so this might just be a little bit overzealous. We're going to see how it plays out into the evening. It tries to spread some more spotty showers across the area. This part looks most likely. We're talking 7 a.m. moderate to maybe even some pockets of heavy rainfall moving to the south and east by noon, drying out a little bit, except across southern Kentucky. This cold front is just going to resurge some more rain chances late in the evening and into the overnight with some light to moderate rainfall there. Another little batch early 5 a.m. Sunday. Then we start to move that on by 10 a.m. It's going to be pretty spotty by the afternoon, drying up and staying mostly cloudy. Then we focus on, as we get into the beginning of the week, some slight rain chances Sunday night, but then we've got this mess for us here Monday evening into Tuesday. There's your chance for maybe a couple flakes. We'll be watching that closely as we, of course, get it over the weekend and get going into the start of next week. Now, the heaviest rainfall has been moving up, so most of us are in line for a ½ inch to an inch with higher totals across the south, and that's going to make up the majority of the weekend. Warm, cooling off, breezy, rainy, and we'll keep that going as we go into the beginning of next week. Valentine's Day, though, is looking pretty good. That's all we've got for weather. Some